Magandang hapon po ng June 18, 2026 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng June 18, 2026 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasa para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, June 18, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasa para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for June 18, 2026, Thursday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, June 18, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for June 18, 2026, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.